For those who work with their hands, work gloves are a must. They protect your hands from hot and cold surfaces, abrasions, splinters, chemicals, and more. Depending on what you do, you need a different type of glove and specific features. From light gardening to metalworking and woodworking, we've done the research, tested. Here is our comprehensive list and buying guide to the best work gloves. Number 1, NoCry Premium Cut Resistant Work Gloves. These NoCry cut-resistant work gloves provide excellent protection against nasty cuts from sharp instruments, so they are ideal for working in the kitchen. The gloves have a high safety rating of EN 388 level 5 as they are made from the highest level of cut-resistant material on the market, which is a combination of ultra-high molecular weight polyethylene, glass fibers, and spandex, which is 4 times stronger than leather. Whether you are cutting through vegetables or a rack of lamb, the gloves are very lightweight and the material stretches to give you a good fit, a superior grip, and good dexterity. The NoCry gloves are 100% safe to use around food and they are easy to clean as you can just put them into the washing machine. As the gloves are ambidextrous, you do not have to remember which one is left or right, and they are available in small, medium, large and extra large sizes. We gave the NoCry gloves a few good slashes and they held up. Wearing them, we found ourselves feeling confident and safe while chopping. Not padded enough for outdoor use, but if you're worried about knife safety, the NoCry gloves are well worth checking out. Pros: very good quality, lightweight, highest level of cut-resistant material, great design, machine washable. Cons: material can stretch out of shape. Number 2, Mechanix Wear Original Work Gloves. These gloves are made of synthetic leather materials, which is thin enough that I do not lose that much tactile sense from my fingers. I can grab and manipulate even the smallest tools and even pick up coins from the floor with these gloves on. Another nice detail about this glove is the material used for its main body. Mechanix gloves use their patented Stretchy material, which is a synthetic fabric that provides breathability and comfort. This material absorbs the sweat on the surface of your skin and wicks it up top so it can dry quickly and provide another cooling layer. The saddle between the thumb and forefinger and thumb are reinforced with another layer of synthetic leather, which is double-stitched for added strength and rigidity. This is the part of work gloves for construction that experiences the most wear and tear, so it is only natural to reinforce it. Another thing I am so happy about with these gloves is that they are constructed using gun cuts. What this simply means is that there are no seams on the palms. They are at the top of their hands, made mostly out of strong synthetic leather material. The top of the hand is made of Tech-Dry, which wicks the sweat to the top of the gloves. Number 3, DX Fit FN 330 Nitrile Work Gloves. These gloves are quite ergonomically designed. These are so lightweight and form perfectly around my hands that they feel like a second layer of skin almost. The material is so thin that it does not take away much of my fingers' tactile senses at all. Because of how thin the Dex Fit gloves are and the nitrile coating along the palms and fingers, my hands can still perform tasks that need a delicate touch. It is almost like you were wearing just nitrile gloves, but these work gloves for dexterity make you feel like your hands are still perfectly protected. Speaking of the nitrile coating, this helped improve the grip of the gloves. I can effortlessly hold on to my ratchets and other oil-covered tools and spare parts. It is even much easier for me to pick up small objects with these gloves compared to when I am barehanded. One thing I like the most about these gloves is the fact that they are reusable while still being offered at affordable prices. When bought in packs of 3, these will just cost a little over $3 a pair. Ergonomic Design, making it feel like a second skin, has nitrile coating that enhances grip and finger dexterity. When it starts to crack, the rest of the gloves will also start falling apart. Number 4, G&Amp F3100L DZ Double-Coated Work Gloves. The first thing that I liked immediately after trying on these lightweight work gloves is the quality of its shell. Made of a cotton blend fabric, the glove shell has enough flexibility that it forms to the exact shape of my hands while still allowing a wide degree of movement for my wrists and fingers. I also like the ergonomic design of the shell. The palm is designed at a 45-degree angle, following the natural angle of the wrist. This means that the cotton material will not bunch up and feel uncomfortable around the wrists. Another feature that I liked is the double-coated latex palms and fingers. This provides more durability and strength for the gloves. The natural latex coating also effectively protected my hands from abrasions, cuts, and punctures. I have used these gloves to move around heavy wooden crates and boxes and I never got even one splinter. The latex coating also provides an adequate grip. I have used these gloves when I worked in my garden and they helped a lot when I am using my tools. Even the wet ones were easy to hold. thanks to the latex coating. Number 5. Go High Dexterity Heavy Duty Mechanic Gloves. The thing I like the most about these breathable work gloves is their price. I bought a pack of 3 pairs and paid less than $30 for the lot, even though the price was so low. This is a case of the price tag not reflecting the actual quality of the item. It is because I discovered that these are pretty high quality and durable gloves. The palms are made of heavy-duty synthetic leather, which is tough enough by itself. They are further strengthened using PVC reinforcing patches. These pads are double-stitched into the palms to make sure that they are not going anywhere. Aside from boosting durability, these pads also add extra grip. I also like the thermoplastic knuckle and finger guards on top of the gloves. There have been countless times that I banged my knuckles against a hard surface and split them open. Thanks to these gloves, I never have to face that kind of pain again. Another nice touch that VGO added to these heavy-duty work gloves is that the thumbs and forefingers are touchscreen compatible. I never have to remove my gloves while I am in the middle of the workday if I want to answer a call or send text messages from my phone.